Welcome to Nutric Food Show 6th Ramadan Diet Plan. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more video updates. Regular intake of fresh fruits and juices is necessary. Avoid eating sugar products. Wake up for Sehri on time. Use following meal items for Sehri: 1 glass yogurt, green mint smoothies, brown bread, 2 club sandwiches including boiled chicken and egg with black pepper, a fist of nuts.
وبصوم غد نويت من شهر رمضان. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Consume following meal items for Iftar: 1 date, 1 glass chocolate shake, 2 small lentil wraps.
اللهم إني لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Meal items for dinner: 1 small bowl dahi barai, moong dal, half plate, with half whole wheat roti. No exercise for 6th day. Don't forget to like, share, comment this video and subscribe our channel.